Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student, Michael. So welcome, Michael, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. Freelancing is such an exciting opportunity these days. And in these welcome videos, I want to give you some motivation or tidbits of like niches, tips, and tricks to get started as a freelance developer. So in this video, I actually found some interesting niches, like micro niches you could own on Upwork that are actually the data science space. So the Thinkster Freelancer course and the Computer Science Academy, so academy.thinkster.com, for which you have free access, so you can check out all courses for free as a Thinkster Freelancer student. On the Academy, we actually have a lot of courses in the data science and machine learning space, and this space is actually really exciting on Upwork. So if you search, for example, so this is not only an example, if you search for NumPy, you see like there are many freelancers here. One from Ukraine, Andriy, he makes $75 per hour, and obviously he has a high job success score and he's a top rated freelancer, right? So this is the formula of success, as you will see in the course, to delight your customer. And I will show you like step by step how you can actually accomplish this on Upwork, how you can delight your customers, how you can reach high job success score and become a top rated freelancer yourself, join the top 5% of coders on the platform, and actually make a premium hourly rate. Here Miguel makes $100 per hour. He's a Python expert with a focus on data science and data analytics, and also, of course, web scraping, Pandas and NumPy and everything, like the whole data science stack, for which I think this is actually data science and machine learning stack in Python. I think is the main reason why Python has been one of the few growing programming languages these days. And here's the data. He also focuses on R, machine learning, natural language processing, and Python NumPy. So you see like many of those premium freelancers here. Conrad, making $200 per hour, focuses also on NumPy and data science related frameworks. So if you have a look at an article I recently wrote, so what is, for example, NumPy? If you learn NumPy, what is NumPy? Nearly every data scientist working in Python draws on the power of NumPy, right? So NumPy brings in the computational power of languages like C and Fortran to Python, a language much easier to learn and use. I mean, this is obvious, right? Like Python is much easier than C or Fortran. And NumPy is like the basic framework on which many of those more advanced data science or machine learning frameworks, such as TensorFlow or Pandas, build, right? Pandas is built on NumPy. And you see like NumPy is used for quantum computing, statistical computing, signal processing, image processing, graphs and networks, astronomy processes, like geographic, geoscience, chemistry, math, Bayesian, inference, very important, and so on. Yeah, so you can use it everywhere. And now let's have a look at the trend, like the Google Trends for NumPy. Is there some demand? So let's check. Probably it needs a bit to load. Yeah, you should see them. Okay, I don't find the trend. But anyways, you see like many people like with his job titles, business intelligence analysts, data scientists, software engineers. All of them make six figures, right? So almost all of them make six figures. Only like introductory level coders make maybe 53,000 USD, which is also fine, right? It's probably average, but I mean, your chance of reaching six figures if you learn the skills well, and if you become like a value-oriented freelancer who never stops learning, are actually pretty high. And we have a lot of NumPy and data science courses that you have free access, as I said. And yeah, I think the niche is really exciting. You can see like this is proof. There are many freelancers like Conrad and Richard and Siddhartha who make premium hourly rates, and Miguel. All of them make premium hourly rates. They have made a lot of income on the platform already, and they will continue to do so. And I think the opportunity are great. Michael, I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made really great decision. I really believe in this. And if you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask. You can contact me in the Thinkster Discord Mastermind group, which is like a group where we share goals and successes. And I check out the group once per week, and I share my own goals because I'm like you. I'm a business owner in the online space, and I want to improve my business over time. And I want to help you do so, and I want we each other help each other out, so that we reach higher levels of success. Thanks again for joining, and see you in the course. Bye.